how to withdraw cash from your Affirm card. So I'm going to explain how this works. First, you want to load up the Affirm app, and once you have the app open, usually Affirm is going to generate cards which will only work for POS, so point of sale transactions. But if you have money in your Affirm account, you will need to sign into your account. So in the top right, we're going to select sign in. And once you sign into your Affirm account, like I said, if you have money directly in your account, then if you have a linked bank account, you can withdraw your funds by clicking on the withdraw button from the home screen. Then you will need to type the amount which you are trying to withdraw from Affirm to your linked bank account. And if you have a debit card linked to that account, you can obviously withdraw cash after the funds go from your Affirm account into the bank account which you have linked to the Affirm app. I hope this video answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.